support our coverage with a free account on Privacy, the service that keeps you protected when shopping online. Get $5 to try it now by using promo code QZZ2J.
Our next guest is here. Hello.
Hey,
How are you doing today?
I'm doing absolutely fine.
Excellent. Go ahead and introduce yourself for me.
Yeah, so I am Dominique Louisin, CMO of Myditek, and that's it.
Okay. Tell me about the company.
Yeah, sure. So Myditek provides digital solutions for optimizing agricultural production systems.
Oh, fascinating. How does that work?
So basically, our solutions include software, and hardware
Okay.
in the following areas, which are animal welfare,
Okay.
precision agriculture, security, and traceability.
Okay. So, obviously, animal welfare clicked immediately for me, but what's precision agriculture?
All right, so smart farming is the key to face the upcoming challenge issued from the climate change and the food autonomy. So what we do is that we build from scratch IoTs. For example, we do have the animal color activity I can speak about maybe.
Sure.
So we do put it on the cow so we can measure the temperature. We can see the movement, and also we can geolocalize the animal. So it's pretty important for the farmer, so he will know continuously where is the cattle.
Fascinating.
Does that make sense?
100%. So, my former business partner and I, about 12 years ago, pitched an idea called Connected Cow.
Oh, wow.
But no technology was in place to make it possible.
Okay.
It's just, we simply weren't there yet because, something that you attach to them, the power wasn't there to be able to do GPS because,
Let's talk about the power.
It was like something this big would only last 18 hours. That wasn't going to work.
Well, let me tell you about the power because we do have, like I said, we build from scratch.
Sure.
And we do have a solar panel on it.
Okay.
So actually the battery will last forever.
Okay.
Without sun, it would last 50 days.
Wow.
But whenever you have the color with you, it lasts 12 years. So you can put it in 6 generations of cow.
Okay.
Okay.
Yeah, and that's totally different. But we also remember a time not that long ago where if you had the GPS running on your phone would only last an hour, right?
Yeah.
It would die almost immediately. So that was one of the things we were up against. The technology's advanced wildly.
Yes, and
that's awesome.
The company was created by Sébastien Louisin, who is the CEO and founder. His parents are farmers.
And I think right there.
Yeah, he's right there. And his parents are farmers, and he has computer engineering background. So that's why he thought about everything.
I was going to say, that's the logical connection between those two things.
And the company was created in 2017.
Okay.
So we are a young startup, and we are looking for sale partnership, distributors, and fundraising round for accelerate and to industrialize storage and to grow the market in Africa, because we are in West Africa and we are looking forward to increasing this.
Very cool. So are you here as part of the African delegation?
Actually, we are in the Africa Pavilion, yes.
Awesome.
Yeah.
That's super cool. So what did it take to get here to CES? I'm super curious about that.
What do you mean by what did it take?
How, because obviously Africa is huge and the Africa Pavilion is not. There must have been a process to go through.
Absolutely.
To be part of it.
We had the great opportunity to, we built a side project with our partners. One of them is Renewtech, and they are also part of the Africa Pavilion. And so Well, we have the great connection and the great network, and that's how we get. Because
Okay.
I mean, Myditek is the solution to have, and so
It
that's
sounds like it.
yeah. That's
So
why we
Was it
got
like
chosen.
was it an application process and you got chosen because it's a great idea?
Kinda.
Okay.
I mean, yeah,
Awesome.
with the networking and the people behind the Africa Pavilion believe strongly into what we do. We are the only one to have turnkey solution in. It's very unique. We have all the solution in one, and we do have the platform and the application to do so. So, yeah.
So, what kind of infrastructure is needed for this? Like, how is the communication done? Is it cellular? Is it satellite? How do you get the data back from the devices that are out?
Satellite is coming. Just
Okay.
hold a second. It's coming. For now, we are using low frequency waves.
Okay.
It's LoRa.
Okay.
And so we got this year, I mean 2024, we did the setup for weather station in Togo, in the whole territory, because we do have this LoRa.
Like transceivers?
Thank you very much.
I got your back.
And so we were able to put weather stations everywhere.
Okay. So, essentially, they act as little relay beacons, essentially? Is that
Yeah, we
so
can say so.
So it can communicate to them, and then they can get the data back to
Absolutely.
the central processing.
Mhm.
Because for me to know where my, say, cattle is, that data has to get back to whatever's powering this screen.
Yes, so
okay.
that's the process.
Okay. That's really cool. And so you said we've got at least one large implementation out there. Where are we in this process? Is it like out in the wild, or is it still like pre-production?
So when you talk about implantation, can you be more specific, please?
Yeah. Do we have a lot? Are you actively selling? Is it
Yes,
ready
we
to be
do.
implemented?
Well, okay, I get it. So Myditek has subsidiary. Do you get this word?
Yep, absolutely.
In Togo, because we just talked about Togo, Benin, Ivory Coast, and soon Senegal.
Okay. And so if a farmer wants to put your technology in, we're ready to do that.
Absolutely.
Okay.
So our customers are farmers, obviously. We also have cooperatives and government, because government understands wisely that our solutions is what they need for the country to, as I said, better adapt to climate change and food autonomy.
Sure. And so the technology's ready. We could sign. I could buy, if I was there, I could buy today, and we could start implementing.
Yes, and because
Awesome.
we work with the local people there, we form them, we teach them, and we have a team ready to assist you whatever you need. Myditek is there in the country I just spoke about.
That is so cool. For us, it was just amusing, right? What an interesting idea. Wouldn't it? What would the technology look like? Oh, it wouldn't. Done. It's so cool to hear something like this out there and that it actually works.
Yeah.
That's awesome.
Well, one of the philosophy of Sébastien Louisin, the CEO, is it's because they said it was impossible, he did it. So he did.
I always love that. And we have, particularly like with startups, we have this philosophy that great ideas come from things that suck. And it sucks to try and know where that many cattle are, right? I know when we're talking to people in Texas and Nevada, and that big areas, a lot of the farmers have to own helicopters to try and go around and scan. I mean, now they'd probably do it with drones instead, but
not only that.
But all of that is disruptive to the animals, which isn't good either.
Absolutely.
It's expensive, it's disruptive, it's time-consuming. None of that's good. All of that sucks.
Time-consuming, and time is money. We all know that.
Exactly.
So, yeah.
All of that sucks. And so a great idea comes out of it. So that's really cool. If people want to learn more or maybe contact you
Absolutely.
to get involved, how can they do that?
Yeah, so please contact us at contact@myditek.com, and we will be glad to give you further information.
And the website is myditek.com.
Absolutely.
Awesome. Thank you so much.
Thank you very much, sir.
Cool technology.
Thank you.
Have a good one and enjoy the rest of the show.
Thank you.
The Tech Podcast Network CES 2025 coverage is executive produced by Adam Barker. Technical director is Kirk Corliss. Associate producers are Nancy Ertz, Tracy Ingram, Xerxes Goddard, Brandy Jackson, and Aviva Cram. Voiceover by Aaron Hurst. Our hosts are Marlo Anderson, Don Bain, and Scott Ertz. Studio and equipment are provided by PLUGHITZ Productions. The TPN studio executive is Todd Cochran. This has been a Tech Podcast Network production, copyright 2025.